Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT in silver. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful jet black leather seats. These seats feature heating in the front row. The interior is finished in jet black. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, media controls, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for windshield wipers and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you'll find your controls for your driving mode and your headlights. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors. Power seat controls can be found on the side of the driver's seat. As we jump inside, we can take a look in the center of the dash at the media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google apps such as Maps and Assistant. In the center of this dash, you'll find additional options such as auto start stop, your tailgate controls, traction mode, and more. Below, you'll find your climate controls, as well as your controls for heated seats in the front row. This center cluster features your gear shifter, 2 cup holders, your center console, which also features additional space for storage, USB charging, a 120 volt charger, and a wireless charging pad. Throughout the vehicle, you'll find Bose speakers delivering crisp audio throughout. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these bright front headlights, as well as the black front grille, logo, and bumper with the red recovery hooks as part of the Z71 package. Below, this Silverado sits on gloss black aluminum wheels. Along the side of the exterior, you'll notice additional black accents, keyless entry, and an off-road guard. As we head towards the back, you'll notice additional assist steps on the corners of the rear bumper. With the touch of a button, we can release the power-assisted tailgate, showcasing the spacious cargo area, equipped with spray-on Bedliner and a 120 volt charging port. As we take a look at the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, USB charging, pull-down cup holders in the center seat, and storage within each seat, as well as below, as this is split in a 60-40 bench. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT in gray, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.